Good morning, students. Today we will see VLSI design and technology unit number 1, and that is an attribute. Today we will see the attributes. An attribute is a value, function, type, range, signal or a constant that can be associated with certain names within a VHDL description. These names could be among others as an entity name, an architecture name, a label or a signal. See, actually you may say this is an additional thing which is available in a VHDL. VHDL has a very strong attributes, and these attributes will give you a certain information in the VHDL code, and this information can be extracted from different things, such as you can extract information from a label or from a signal. You can extract this information. There are 5 different predefined attributes: value attributes, function attributes, signal attributes, type attributes and range attributes. Okay, value attributes return a constant value, function attributes call a function that will return a value, signal attributes will create a new signal, type attributes will return the name of the type, and range attributes return a range. Now we'll see the value kind attribute. Okay, here try to understand one thing. Attributes are specified by a character tick. You may say single inverted comma. Okay, and if you see, I should not read T single inverted comma left. Okay, whenever it is an attribute, it is written as T tick left, T tick right, T tick high, T tick low, A tick length. Like that, whenever you want to read that particular, you may say inverted comma, don't read it as an inverted comma. Whenever you are reading an attribute, you should read it as T tick left. Quite obvious here. T tick left will return the left bound of the type or subtype. Means quite obvious, you will operate this particular attribute on a type. Then T tick right will return the right bound, T tick high will return the upper bound of the type, T tick low will give you the lower bound of the type, and length, it will return the length of an array. Here you can see some simple example to understand the thing. Okay, first thing is that we have declared a type, and the name of the type is color, and the values which are being assigned in it, these are blue, green, yellow and red, and there is a declaration of 4 different signal: color 1, color 2, color 3, color 4. These are the 4 different declaration of the signals, and these are of the type color. Begin. Okay, now to the signal 1, that is a color 1, whatever the thing assigned is a color tick left. Okay, means it will check that in the type color which is the value at left, the value is blue. Then color tick right, it will return the red, color tick high, it will return the red, and color tick low, it will return the blue. Actually, for that you have to understand the type for below 2, that is a tick high and tick low. Okay, whenever you write anything in a VHDL type, the first thing which you are going to write is it is having a less value as compared to the last. Hence, that's why it has written the red as a high and blue as a low. Okay, this is just an example. here a value kind attribute. Okay, type bit4 is array 0 to 3 of bit, and variable len, that is see, it is a declaration, it is a declaration. Variable len colon integer means len is declared as an integer, and len is assigned bit 4 tick length, and the length of bit 4 is 4. Length of bit 4 is 4. That's why len will be assigned with 4. Now these are the function kind attributes. Okay, the function type attributes will return a type value. Function array attribute will return the array bound, and function signal attribute will return the signal history information. Now here also you will have a different attributes, that is a t-tick position, and you have to write the value. Now this particular thing will return you the position number of the value specified in. Okay, in the next slide you will have an example. It will tell you the meaning of this attribute. Then t-tick value, t-tick successor, t-tick preceder, t-tick left of, t-tick right of. Actually the meaning of this will be clear from the examples. Again, what is the declaration over here? The color. It is a declaration of type. Okay, and the red, yellow, green, blue, purple and orange. The highest value is of orange and lowest value is of red. And there is a declaration of only one signal, and that is color 1, and it is of the type color. This declaration has very nice meaning. Whenever you declare a signal color 1 of the type color which you already declared, means color 1 cannot take the value other than red, yellow, green, blue, purple and orange. This is the meaning of this particular statement, because whatever this type color is, it is a user defined type. I'm using this word so many times, that is the predefined type of language. Okay, I use this word in case of bit and std logic. Now if I talk about color, then what is this color? This color is nothing but a user defined type. Okay, now from this example, color tick, color 1 tick POS red. See, if you ask the what is the position of red, it will return you 0. Okay, if you ask what is the value at position 2, it will return green. What is the successor of blue? It will return purple. What is the preceder of blue? It will return green. What is the right of blue? To the right of blue is purple. To the left of blue is green. Like this, these attributes are over there. Sorry. Now here you can see the attribute function type or function signal. Here stick event, stick active, stick last event, stick last value and stick last active. You remember that we have written the VHDL code for D flip-flop. There we have written clock tick event, and clock is equal to 1. Whatever that tick event is over there, this tick event is the function attribute. It is a function attribute and it returns true if the event is occurred. If the event is occurred. And what is an event? Event is changing the value from 0 to 1 or from 1 to 0 will be treated as an event. Okay. Similarly, stick active, stick last event, it will return the time. Stick last event will return you the time lapse since last event occurred on that signal. Stick last value, it will tell you the what was a value of s, or return the value of s before the last event. Like that, it will give you the different value. Thank you very much.